Looks like it's time to change out that blinker fluid. Alright, hey guys, I am back with another video, and today we will be changing out a fuel pump, assembly, sending unit, whatever, all that jazz. We got the new one here. Got it for like 40 bucks. You know, it's the cheapest one. So the first thing what we're gonna do is, if you haven't already taken off the box or dropped the tank, you're gonna want to do that. You know, dropping the tank is a couple. I actually never dropped the tank on. Oh yeah, I did. That's a lie. One strap there and another strap here. So there you go. I just ripped the box off because it was all rotted. Literally. The same bolts are still there. And then that one snapped, but the rest of them are good. So I'm never gonna put a box back on it anyway, so make a wood one. First thing, probably gonna want to pop the hood and disconnect the battery. Where's that hood crap? There it is. It has a small little 2.3, so we'll just disconnect the battery the easy way. Put that down there. And congratulations, you already completed step one. Next, what you're gonna want to do, these two lines here are your pressure, and yeah, whatever you do, do not get these lines mixed up. This is going to your engine. These are probably return. This is from your filler neck for some reason, whatever. But first thing what we're gonna worry about right now is that connector. That don't look like it's coming off. Wonder if I can pop that one clip out here. It just looks like one's already, there we go. It broke, nice. Looks like you just pull down on that tab. Surprisingly, the frame looks rough in this, but it's really just heavy surface rust. You know, and it is, unfortunately, you know, these are factory holes, but it's unfortunately starting to go right there. So I'm gonna have that get fixed. But you know, other than that, frame it looks rough, but it's not. So, and I have to do a brake line on it. And it's, you know. So let's see here. Let's get a screwdriver. I think I have all the assortment of tools. So I think you just push this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Shoot. Alright. Alright, so here we go, yeah. So you just push down, and it just comes right off. That little nub right there. And it's just a four little connectors. There's one part done. Now we gotta worry about this pressure line here. I think these are all just by hand. Push in. Yeah, push. Let's see here. Push that down. You should be able just to. Get this out of the way there. That didn't really work. I think you just push down and you wiggle. Oh, there we go. Yeah. I wonder if it wasn't even connected. Oh well. And then probably the same for this. Push. Okay, this I thought was part of it, but no, it's just the old sending unit. Okay, so 2 steps. I think you just. Okay. This has gotta be one clip, the other clip. Pull them both out. That does not make any sense. Because you see right here, they kind of push outwards. Or in. No, out, yeah. It's bizarre. Oh yeah, you push it in. Okay, hang on. Okay, once again, you do not want to be doing things like me, because then if this is an actual road vehicle, which it might be in the future, you never know, it's gonna end up broken. But yet again, I pushed outward. You push in with the actual connector, the actual whole hose, and then you pull one side out, or it doesn't really matter, and you push. Let's see. Yeah, you push in, then you're able to push these down, which unlocks that. So there you go. And then these, I don't even know how those are. I should just, well, at least we got the two main connectors. Let's see here. Alright, so it's probably easier to show everybody from this side. So, if you cannot already tell, that's a green clip right there. So all you do is you push down on the actual thing, push that. Of course, you probably can't even see that. There. And you probably can't see that. Okay, if you still can't see that, I'm sorry. This is turning in to, okay. Alright, I got that off. So literally all you do is you push down, push in that green tab with a screwdriver, and pull up. Same do with this side. If you haven't already told, I did some cleaning. Definitely clean it better, okay? Okay, so this is part of it. Oh, okay, yeah, it's pretty dry rotted. Alright. So now, you're gonna want to get a screwdriver, and a little hammer. And what you don't want to do is tap too hard and break these fins off, because then you're kind of screwed. So I think all you do, and I think it's spring loaded, so it's gonna be a little difficult. And just before, keep note, the big one always is facing towards the frame rail. And then that one's broke off. And that's all you really do. Like I said, do not hit too hard, else you'll break the fins. But it takes some time, that's all. Right?
Chilly.
I know, it's really cold. There you go, wave. But now, you should just unscrew it, and then I'll show you guys putting in the new one. When you got it loose enough, you should just, it's probably not recommended to do this. So yeah, do not do that. Just twist it off. And see, look, it is spring loaded, so be careful. Make sure nothing falls in the tank. Just gotta be careful. This is what your lock ring would look like if you're doing it on a Mazda or Ranger. And this is a B2300, and they don't make little cool trucks like this anymore. Everything has to be 4-door and all that and whatever. So when you take this out, you just have to be careful. It is a little heavy, not really, but just keep note. You know, just never done one of these. Well, I have done one of them, but just gotta be careful, that's all. And the fuel pump in this died because it sat forever. But this is what it looks like out. There's your little floater, your little pump, return. So there's that. And I have seen the filters on the bottom here just disintegrate. So just be careful with that too. Wow, that gas is horrible. Holy moly. You may as well just want to flush the tank. I may want to do that. Holy moly, that is bad. Okay, maybe I'll do that. So you guys be ready for part 2 because that is quite bad. Like I said, this truck hasn't been on the road since 18, so you really just got to be careful because if you suck that up in the new pump, I'm sure that new pump wouldn't like it. Okay. Maybe I'll pump some of this out and throw in some new gas. Well, I'll just burn out all the gas anyway, so. And like I said, it's on a weird angle, but there really should be only a 1/4 tank left, so yeah, we'll be good. Alright, we did. It's not tightened down yet, but it was a little stubborn getting in. But, yep, I mean, I think everything's good to go. That matches up, and that matches up. That new thing there. And let me tighten this down, connect everything, all the wires, clip that, zip tie it back again. And we'll see if this thing starts. Alright, so you tighten that down until it really doesn't turn anymore. And it bottoms out. Do want to make sure you replace this O-ring here. Even though this one looked good, I still replaced it with the one that came with it. So yeah, here we go. Let's try and do this one here. It's nice that they included them. That clicks on, make sure you pull every one. Take that cap off. Make sure that doesn't pull back out. This one. Do a good wiggle test. You don't want any of these coming loose. Make sure they snap in. And we'll connect this to there. It's kind of hard doing this one-handed, but let's see if I can get this. Do a good wiggle test on that, and I'll zip tie them up just, you know, just in case. So we'll kick this over in case the battery causes any sparks. Since that's old, who cares? Alright, there's that. Pop the hood. That's back in. Everything's in. Alright. Alright, this is the best part about fixing something. See if it works. I have no idea. I don't even think this battery's charged. If it's not, we'll use my truck to get it. Whatever. Alright, let's see if we hear a fuel pump now. I sure do. Sounds strong too. Oh boy. There it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, she sounds a little rough. Just a little, but it starts. That's all that matters. I guess this was a success. And probably take these caps and throw them in the box that is not there. We'll throw this piece of sheet metal over it and call it a day. Look at that. We got the old Mazda running again. Well, and we have that old Mazda too. But, you know, that one runs. So, there it is. Probably next video, a month from now or next spring, put an exhaust on this. We'll maybe do a wood flatbed. But for now, it goes, you know, I'll hang this up, bungee cord it, so it's not hanging there. I'll probably screw this down just there and there so it doesn't get the new fuel pump all wet. And I call that a success. So, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. I just try to be helpful, so there you go. If anybody has trouble with their 2090s and all that, there's the video. We'll see you on the next one. I'm baffling. I don't like to use a ratchet. I mean, a power gun. Oh, I see what it's doing. Oh, the radio.